So in this video, I'm going to tell you more than 20 tips, tricks and hidden features of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So if you want to master your Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and if you have purchased recently this phone, then you should definitely watch this full video to master your Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and use it like a pro. So let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you some tips, tricks and hidden features of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So let's begin. But guys, before that, if you haven't followed me on the Instagram, just go ahead and follow me on that. Basically on Instagram my ID is Tech Buffet. If you want to watch behind the scene and some more awesome content on IGTV, then surely go and follow me on IGTV or Instagram. Yeah, with that said, let's begin. So guys, let's start some features of this smartphone. So first of all guys, let me show you some gestures that Asus called ZenMotion. Go to system, then go to gestures, then go to ZenMotion. Then you will find some of the gestures over here, like double tap to turn off the screen and double tap to wake up the screen, which is very good. You just have to double tap on the screen and it will turn off your screen, basically lock the device, and when you want to wake it up, just double tap it and it will definitely wake your screen up. It's a very good feature guys. You don't have to use the button, which is very nice. After that guys, you have the swipe up to wake up. Basically when your screen is locked, just swipe up on the screen without pressing the button, it will wake your display up. After that guys, you will have gestures on a dark. So basically you can draw this letter to perform the action on the lock screen. So when you draw C, as you see over here, when you draw C, the camera app launch. When you draw S, the setting will launch. When you draw W, the Chrome will launch, and lot more other application over here as you see over here. So you can definitely watch this and you can definitely use them. Then after that, you will have a really good feature in the smartphone as you see over here called Go to Pay. Just go to this option guys, Go to Pay, and you have to make your ID basically. First of all, go to sign up and you have to enter your name, email address and a lot of other things, and you have to submit your any type of documents, passport, voter ID, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, whatever you have to submit it. And basically you have a dedicated bank in your smartphone. So you have add money option, send money, passbook and lots of other mode. That means you can definitely pay money from this and you can use it. Basically it's a Paytm rip-off, you can say that. So yeah, you can use it directly and it is built in your smartphone, so which is very nice. Now after this trick guys, after this feature, let me show you a really amazing trick guys to make your smartphone little faster than usual. Just go to about phone, then tap the build number 7 times, then you will be a developer. Then just go to developer option, then after that find this animations option like this, and window animation scale, transition animation scale and animated duration scale. Put them on 0.5 times. It will speed up your smartphone speed, like literally it will speed your smartphone's speed 2 times, I can say that, and it is very good. Literally it is very good. Use it and thanks me later. After that guys, basically this is a 32 GB internal storage variant, so you have only 21 GB or like 22 GB of storage or usable storage, I can say that. And in those 22 GB, if you want to free up some space, you don't have to download some cleaner app from the Play Store. You can definitely do it in the settings as you see over here. Just go to storage, then select this, and then after that just select free up space, then you can definitely free up some space from here. It's a very good feature, you can definitely use it and take the benefit of it. And after that guys, there is a very good feature in this smartphone, and which is the dual VoLTE, or I can say dual active 4G. You can use 2 Jio SIM card at the same time in your smartphone, which is really good. Like it is very good feature. After that guys, you can definitely customize your smartphone with Nova Launcher, like literally on whole another level. Like if you want to customize your smartphone, then go ahead and download the Nova Launcher and use some custom icons, like I am using this splendid icon and it looks quite good as you see over here. Then after that, you can definitely use some custom widget packs, like I'm using this KWGT widget pack, which is free. If you want, you can definitely pay for the premium version, that will give you some more features, but the free version will do the job. So yeah, it's very good, and you can definitely make some widgets like this one as you see over here. So yeah, it's very good. After that guys, when you pinch in and go to home setting, then you will find this option called notification dots. Turn it on. It's very good and very useful. That means when you have received any notification on particular app, then that app will got some notification dot on it, which is very good and which is very useful too. So yeah, it's very good. Definitely use it and definitely turn it on. Now if you don't want to use Nova Launcher to change your icon pack, you can definitely do it by here. You can only change the shape of your icon, like square, squirrel, circle and teardrop, and you can definitely use them to customize your phone's look. You can definitely use it, and it's a very good thing. After that, guys, you should enable this add icon to home screen. It's a very good thing. That means if you are downloading any new application, that will going to be on your home screen, which is very good. It's very helpful thing. That means every time when you want to use that app that you have downloaded, you don't have to go in the app drawer to find it. Yeah. After that, guys, next feature would going to be this screen pinning. Like literally, it is one of the best feature I have used in the smartphone period. Like go to this security and lock screen, and then you will find this screen pinning. Just turn it on, then the both option on. Then after that, guys, if you want to give your phone to someone, just open that application and he want to use some particular application, and if you don't want to let him use or let him see your personal content on your smartphone, and if you don't want him to don't go on any other application of your smartphone, then you can definitely press this button and you will find this pinning option. Just pin it, and after that it will not going to get back on anything. He has to use this application, and if you want to get back, just press this back and this menu button together, then it will be gonna back and it will lock your phone, which is very good thing. So yeah, that means he or she cannot use any other application than they have desire to use when they ask for your smartphone basically. So after that, guys, this smartphone has a built-in screencast feature, which is really nice. Like literally, as you see over here in the connected device, you have built-in cast option. That means you can definitely cast your screen on some smart home devices. For example, a smart TV, you can definitely cast your screen on that TV. So it's a very good, you can definitely use it. After that, guys, when you purchase this smartphone, the battery percentage is not going to be on the top of the status bar. You have to enable it. For enabling it, go to the battery option, and there you will find this option battery percentage. Just turn it on and you will see the battery percentage on the status bar. After that, guys, if you are using your smartphone in the night, basically after the sundown, then you have to use this feature called night light. It's a very good thing. The blue light that emitting from the display, it will hamper your melatonin hormone. So turning this on will definitely reduce that effect basically. So it's a very good thing. You should definitely try this and try this night light feature. It's a very helpful thing if you are using your smartphone in the night time. And yeah, it will definitely reduce your eye strain too. Yeah. After that, guys, when you buy this Asus phone, guys, you will get a promotional 100 GB Google Drive storage, which is really good. I mean, you can definitely use it. If you are a Google Drive user, you can definitely get this benefit. And as you see over here, I got 100 GB of Google Drive data, which will gonna expire in 2019, which is really good. After that, guys, if you want to use split screen, or basically if you want to use two apps simultaneously, then you have to use this button. Just press it, and after that drag any one application on the top and just choose second application. Then you can definitely use them side by side, or one app on the top and one app on the bottom. Then you can definitely use it like that. And yeah, it's a very good feature. But guys, if you want to switch back to the previous application that you are using, then you just have to double tap on this button, which is the multitasking button. Just double tap it, and as you see over here, it will move your application to that previous application that you are using basically. So that's a very good feature. You should definitely try it. After that, guys, as you see over here in the notification panel, you have lots of options here. So if you want to customize them, and if you want to use as per your needs, then you can press this pencil button and you can add some more tiles, you can say that, and remove some tiles. Then you can rearrange them as per your want and as per your needs. So it's a very good feature. You can definitely try it if you don't know about it. After that, guys, as you know that every smartphone nowadays has a face unlock, as this one too. So if you want to use the face unlock, just go to security and location, then you will find the face unlock option over here, that is face recognition. Just add your face data and you will gonna use it. And I know the face unlock feature of this smartphone is not that good as compared to the competition, but it's quite okay for daylight situation and for good lighting situation. It's not a problem, you will definitely use it, and you can definitely use it basically. And the fingerprint scanner, after the update, it works quite good. There is no complaint in the fingerprint scanner after the update. So yeah, you can definitely use the fingerprint scanner from here. So yeah, after that guys, after that, if you don't want this notification LED to blink every time you got some message or every time you got some notification, and when you connect this to your charger, then just go to display, go to advanced, then after that you will find this option called blink light. Just turn it off. When you turn it off, then it will not going to turn on basically the notification LED light. So yeah, after that guys, as you know already, this is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro, which has 5000 mAh battery, which is monstrous in my opinion. I mean, who needs 5000 mAh battery? Yeah, hell, I need that, but I mean, it's very huge battery. But even after that, if you are some, I don't know, if you are living in jungle and if you need more battery, then you can definitely turn on the battery saver from the battery option. As you see over, just turn on this, you can preset to turn it on certain percentage. So yeah, after that, literally a lot of people didn't know about it, that how to take screenshots in their smartphones. And if you don't know how to take the screenshot, just press the power button and volume down button together for 3 seconds. It will definitely going to take your screenshot. So yeah, you're welcome. After that guys, you have the DND option over here. Like you can definitely customize your DND option from here. Just go to sound and just go to do not disturb preference. You can like customize your DND options from here. It's a very good thing. You can definitely use it and it's really good. Like literally you can add lot of things over here. So it's a very good. You can definitely use it. After that guys, as you know that this smartphone has 4K video recording support, and the smartphone can also record 4K DCI videos. That means it can record lot more data from the sensor as compared to the 4K normal videos. That means in the post, while you grade the footage, if you are that kind of guy, that means if you want to grade your footage, if you want to use color correction, color grading and all that type of stuffs, then you can definitely record your videos in DCI format. It will retain little more sensor data, so it will definitely helpful to you. It's not log or raw, but it will retain little bit more data as compared to the normal file. So yeah, it's a very good feature from the Asus. So yeah guys, these are more than 25 features that I want to tell about this Asus Zenfone Max Pro. So guys, if you do like this video, and guys, if you find this video helpful in any manner, hit that like button right now and share this video with your friends who has the Asus Zenfone Max Pro. Just share this video with him guys, he will thank you later guys. Literally just share this video with him. It's a very useful video, I know that. If you want to purchase this smartphone, then I will definitely leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. And guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit that subscribe button for more awesome, like literally amazing quality videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Yeah, bye. And yeah guys, please press the bell icon too. Yeah, YouTube is messing up with notifications, so please press the bell icon. Yeah, bye.